Wednesday, December 7th, 2016. Monaco 64, home of alternative economics and contrarian views. Early market update. I'm a little earlier today than I've been usually. It's 9:40 a.m. London time or 4:40 Eastern Standard Time or New York time. Gold right now is up $2 at 1171.80. The Dow is up 16 points at 19,255. S&P 2,212, basically unchanged. Silver 1678, up about 6 cents. And these are all from 6 p.m. New York time yesterday. The pound is weaker. It's down 85 pips or 2/3% at 125.90. So we've had a fairly big move. Earlier in the week, we were around 127.50, so the pound's come down quite a bit. There's an important vote on Brexit today in Parliament. That's always, changing the mood in the currency, all the news related to Brexit, soft, hard Brexit. Euro up 12 pips at 107.29. I think the low Sunday evening on the referendum result was around 105, so the euro's picked up fairly well, up 0.1%. Dollar strong against the yen, up 12 pips at 114.14. FTSE up 90 points at 68.68. Still well below the all-time highs, around 71.30 in the FTSE. What else? Bond markets. Bond markets have been fairly calm. The 10-year yield right now is at 2.38. I think we reached a high around 2.49 last week. We almost hit that 2.50. So we've backed off a bit, which is positive for bond prices. European bonds, especially the peripheral bonds, which is the 10-year yield in Italy, Spain, and Portugal, and Greece, are actually doing fairly well. There is an ECB meeting tomorrow, and I think the market, they've become so conditioned to central bankers, bailing them out and intervening, not letting anything bad happen. That even the no result for the Italian referendum has not really impacted markets as it should. I mean, on Monday when I made a video about the reaction and what the BTP did, which is the Italian government bond, the 10-year yield, was at around 2%. Right now we're at 190. Down 4 basis points. Spain is at 146, down 3. Portugal down 10 basis points at 349. So European bonds, not really feeling any heat from the Italian referendum. Bitcoin around 758 this morning, rebounding back above 750 Bitcoin. The other sector I like to cover here are all the major European banks, mainly because of the Italian situation, because there would be spillover, especially into the French banking system. All the major banks are related in Europe, and nothing. I mean, this morning Deutsche Bank is up almost 5% at 17 euros 25. BNP Paribas, French bank, up 2%. SocGen, Societe Generale, French bank, is up 2.5%. What else? Crédit Agricole, another French bank, up 1.4%. Banco Santander, big Spanish bank, up 2%. So there doesn't seem to be any contagion at the moment because of the Italian referendum. We'll have to wait and see. What else did I want to talk about? I'm going to look at the technicals for gold, silver, and Bitcoin, which are our favorite currencies, at least mine and most of the people who watch my videos. Start out with gold, the technical picture here. It's a short-term chart. You can see couple of days ago, we dipped below 1160. I think the low was around 1157. There's a low at the end of November there, just above 1160. And now it seems to be stabilizing, but we need to get back above 1188, which was the high about 3 days ago. And then, of course, 1200 would be, ideal, really, and if we break above 1200, as you can see, since the middle of November, there's we've been going, down. The trend has definitely been going down. We haven't been able to make higher highs. So if we can break above 1200, that would be very positive. That trend line above that's the long-term trend line from the high in 2011 and 2012, which is around 1300 now. So that's gold. Let's have a look at silver. Silver is kind of outperformed gold a bit, because it made the low, its low at before December in November there, just below 1620. And we've actually been making higher lows and higher highs. So silver is looking fairly good. And if the precious metals are going to rebound again, usually silver leads the way. So that's slightly encouraging. And I guess 17 is the key level there we need to break, and then 1750. That's silver. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, about a week ago or so, we actually touched the June high around 780 there. So right now there's like a double top on Bitcoin. But as you can see, the trend is still clearly higher. So we need to break above 780 that, to see Bitcoin really, come of age again. There's good support above 700, so I wouldn't be concerned if we see, further consolidation, but still looking pretty good, Bitcoin. So that's it for now. Market update this morning. I'll keep an eye on things later on today. And so if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up below. Share it far and wide. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. And if you like to donate to the channel, there's some links below in the description. I'll talk to you later. Bye.